Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and useful guide on how to disable message requests on Discord. This feature can help you manage your privacy and control who can send you messages, especially if you're part of multiple servers. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. Once you're in, the layout should look familiar. Next, locate the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will take you to your user profile where you can manage your settings. Now, look for the gear icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to access your settings. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option for privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you can adjust various privacy settings to your liking. Finally, under the Message Requests section, you'll find the option that says Enable Messages Request from Server Members. Simply toggle it off. This will stop those unwanted message requests from server members, giving you more control over your Discord experience. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message requests on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.